tree trunk looking stone, and you see one over there as well. These are stones denoting the woodmen of the world. This is a carpenters union, and they're known for having very, very unique wood-looking stones. So if you see those around, these are members of the Woodmen of the World Union. But we're here to talk about not Daniel Boone, but James Alexander Sawyers. Born in Tennessee in 1824, he visited Sioux City in 1857 and built a store. The following spring, he brought his family and entered into a partnership with his brother-in-law, E.R. Kirk, who you saw back up by Mount Sinai. He served in the Mexican-American War for 1 year, and he was instrumental in forming the Sioux City Cavalry in 1861. And he enlisted in the Northern Iowa Border Brigade from 1862 to 1863. This was a kind of a small defense squadron to defend against Native Americans in the area who were attacking settlements. He was promoted to colonel in 1863. He was also instrumental in building a wagon road from Sioux City to Virginia City, Montana, known as the Niobrara Road. This road was built during the Gold Rush expeditions in Montana in 1865 and 1866. He also owned 2 river steamers, the Sioux City and the Tiger, and the ferry boat Undine. And he is responsible for the construction of Sioux City's first 3-story brick building. So, James A. Sawyers and the new stone for Sawyers.
Do you know where that building was?
It was at Pearl Street. I want to say at the corner of 3rd and Pearl. We have pictures of it and everything. So yeah, it was the first 3-story brick building. As we walk on by, you will notice a set of headstones to my right that belong to the Timmels. The Timmels built Tom's house up on Jackson Street. They were